We have a contact person which has an error. So let's see. The contact person is 51682. So let me write it down. Notepad. So 51682. 51682 is a contact person for user 176. So this has a missing data. Has missing data. So let's see his customer number, because if we have the last name and the first name, we can find it easily. But since we don't have any first name and last name, then we can find it through his customer number. So let's see the customer number, so let's record the customer number 25380, 25380. And this is my customer number. Okay. Now so let's see the customer number. Okay, now we can go for new screen and I can search for this customer number. So I went up there, master data, business partner, customer, and then we can go for complete. Okay, this is a change. Now I'm looking for this guy. Customer number is 25380. So 25380, press enter. Now, if you see in the relationship, we have this customer, this contact person, which has no name. This is the one that I added before for this student to make sure that it is working fine. But now we need to correct this one. So I double click on that. And if you see that, we don't have this the name of the customer. But we do have 51682. Let's see if it is the same one. 51682, you see here. So I want to fix it. If I double click on that, I have a pencil here. So I can go up there and I can find the pencil. Okay. Sorry, maybe I made some mistake here. 51682 is the contact person. 51682 is the contact person. So I can go back. Contact person. So I have to go back to the contact person and change it. So no. So the contact person was, the customer number is 25380. So 25380, that is what I'm searching for. This is for Sama. Press enter. Now if 51682. Okay, and if I just double click on that and I 51682 and I click on the, okay, so this is the place that student make the mistakes. He did not enter. So what he has done, he just created the business partner. He was supposed to go to the contact person, okay, and from there he has to enter this Mr. and his first name. What is the first name of this guy? I think I forgot to record his name. Okay, I can say Tariq and Aziz, and I say this is language is English, and search term is this guy is 176, huh? So 176, and the country is US. That's it. So I entered this information, I saved it. Now the most important thing is that most of the students, they just don't change this one. So it becomes a business partner. This is also an error. So we have to change from the drop-down list, we have to change it to contact person. That's it. Now, if I just saved it and I go back, so you will see that in my list, this should not be a problem anymore. You see here, 176, if I refresh, it should not be a problem anymore because we fix the user 176 with the help of this exercise. Okay, I hope this is clear. Thank you.